Okay, what we do first is to go to the EOSC marketplace resources, looking for some keywords such as light seabed Mediterranean, for looking for something related to the case studies we presented before. Here we find a model, in particular in the software section, and we are redirected to a page where we see exactly what is interesting to us, mapping the photic zone in the Mediterranean. Here I see there is a Jupyter notebook, so it's very interesting to see what is in there. And I can go to Arrow Hub straight away to see the research object. The research object is the mapping the photic zone in the Mediterranean Sea. Here I see a sketch to see some related images. I can detect the downloads and the details such as resources and annotations. Interesting to see also these metadata that are the main, let's say, interesting topic within the research object. I can download it, I can copy it, I can annotate, and also I can edit this research object if I want. I can share it, and I can cite, and it's a very important part of the research object. Let's have a look, where is this research object? We have two areas basically, and this is the geolocator, so I know where this research has been done. In the research object, I have several different contents that are listed in the content tabs, and I also can see the activities and also the live charts and all the annotations. And interesting also to know which are the similar research objects related to my experiments and analysis. I see here there are several ones that could be interesting for further research, and there are most of them related to our scientist Giorgio Castellan. Let's have a look to the content now and focus on the bibliography. Here I have two links where I can see some of the bibliography, the published paper, that are stored in the B2Drop resources. So these are not stored in Arrow Hub, but we can use different services of EOSC. This is a resources that is related to Giorgio in particular, so that I can store also papers that are not open sources. And in the bibliography link, I can see again other different papers always stored in the B2Drop. Here I see, for example, a paper that is interesting because it's about the mesophotic zone. Again, let's go to home now and let's have a look to the input data. Here I see there are two interesting data. Yes, this is what I really need. So the ocean color data, the MODIS Aqua KD419. And I can open this resource in Atom platform to visualize where they are and the quality of the data. I can open Atom platform straight away from Arrow Hub and see where these data are. Here I see that in Atom these data are appearing, and I have the ocean color data. I can play with my data here, zooming in and out and visualizing them. And if I want, I can maybe download this data also in different areas. So if I want to do my same experiment in the Black Sea, what I can do is to draw a rectangle here in the Black Sea and download straight away this data where I want. I can store this data in my own resources or in B2Drop, for example, and link again B2Drop to my research object. Let's have a look to the tool. Here I was starting at the beginning with a Jupyter notebook, and this is the Jupyter notebook that is stored in the research object. I can open it straight away by the resources given by AGI Binder. AGI Binder is storing my research object, my Jupyter notebook, and I can rerun the model that has been implemented by Giorgio. This is really fantastic for a scientist because here I see all the section of this Jupyter notebook. I can test it and I can reuse it in my own research. And it is linked to AGI resources. So let's have a look to the results now. Here I see finally the model that was carried out by Giorgio himself, and I see a map of the lighted seabed. So this case studies, this demonstration is showing you as many different resources and services from EOSC has been integrated into Arrow Hub and can be used by a scientist for effectively carry on a research and see different examples in different environments. Thank you.